Okay, hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick review of this keyboard. It's Langtu. I forgot what model this is, but this is the wired version. I'm gonna do another one because I have a non-wire version over here, which is white, and this is black. So when I was buying this, I didn't see any review available with this model. We have like sort of like a lot of Langtu, but not this. So yeah, I've been using this for like 2 months now. It's really good. And look at the light. I forgot how to turn off the light of this one, I think. But yeah, you can. There is an option to turn off the light, but this is really a beautiful keyboard. Okay, let's go to Microsoft Word and try typing. I don't know, how do you consider a keyboard like silent or whatever? I don't know the criteria for that, but yeah. So probably it's not silent, but it's worth it with all the lights. It's really beautiful, especially at night. Yeah, so what else? It had the good thing about this keyboard, it has a numpad over here, number keys in this part. Like, it's very hard, especially for my work, to not have like the numbers portion. So yeah, this is really good. This is really good. Buy it if you like. That's it. Like I said, never seen anything like any review about this product, so I'm doing one. Hope you like it, guys. Bye. So I don't know if you're like me, but I actually enjoy hearing the clicking sound of the keyboard. Some people would prefer it to be silent, but to me, I really love like the sound. Like, for example, let us do this. That's how I love the clicking sound. So Langtu L1 is the name of this keyboard. It's the wired version. There's an available non-wire version, which you can. It's chargeable. This one. It's chargeable using a Type-C charger. It's really good, right? So yeah, I've been using it for quite some time now. It's really good. So that's it, and I'm hoping to do some more reviews with my mouse next. Bye.